The car itself is actually a 82 GLX coupe, formerly 4-cylinder car. It's like beige in color, and it's my buddy Matthew Krantz car. And not only did he pick probably one of the most sedate looking Foxes you'll ever see in your entire life, he also kept the 14-inch like hubcaps on the car. I mean, it is absolutely freaking ridiculous. I mean, like, if you saw this car, you would think it was just a little 4-cylinder notch. You would absolutely have no clue what this car is capable of. And so it's like, essentially, it is the ultimate sleeper. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and ladies and gentlemen, we're doing a little flashback today. So with that being said, today I've got something similar. It's not necessarily a kill video. I mean, it kind of is, but it kind of isn't. But this one's a little different, and it comes from one of the main questions that I get asked from like the different fan pages. Flashback time. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering what is up with all this flashback stuff and the different filters and all that. Well, here's the deal. It's been about a year since I did the video on my buddy Matt Krantz's little notchback. Well, in that year, Matt has gotten a lot faster, and I wanted to kind of revisit this because he's made some upgrades. Nothing major or anything, but he's made some upgrades, and the car is getting ridiculously fast. So let's talk about these upgrades a little bit. First of all, this is a Gen 1 truck motor, just like what's in yours truly's car. He's got Mustang cams, just like yours truly. Long tube headers, just like yours truly. He did the 18 intake manifold. It's got an OZ tune in it. He did full UPR suspension, and since then he's put drag wheels on there. And a lot of the work he's been doing has been playing with the transmission and or the clutch. And just whittling the ETs down. It has been amazing. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's talk about a little bit about how Matt gets it done with a stock motor, with a stock Coyote basically. Again, this is the cams are stock. They're Mustang cams, production cams. The intake is from a 2018 Mustang. It's stock intake. So this is a completely stock motor. It's all Ford parts. There's nothing crazy here. So let's start off the beginning of the season. Matt was running high 10s. He had, with the TKO transmission and 410 gears and a spool, the car went 1064 at 129. Then he went to a face-plated TKO and 456 gears. The car picked up to 1035 at 129. Then he swapped over to the G101A, the G-Force transmission. Same gears, the 456s, and the car picked up again to 1007 at 131. And ladies and gentlemen, that is flipping moving. All right, and so here's the thing. You're probably asking yourself, how much power does this car make? Is it 500, 550, something like that? Here's the thing. Before he switched over to the 2018 GT intake manifold, the car laid down 385, 373 to the tire. After the intake and the E85 tune, the car laid down 400 even and 380 torque. So, no, it's not even 450 horsepower. It's about 400 to the tire. go, guys. Checking back in with my buddy Matt, and he's got the car absolutely freaking flying. Car is 2,800 pounds with him in it. So that is race weight, is 2,800 pounds. So it's actually not even super light, all things being considered. Car is a beast, super fun, and I've got a long way to go with this car. Still got to get the suspension dialed in, you know, just get the whole thing figured out, because it's, you know, obviously completely different car, but that's what's coming. And Matt, I'm chasing you down the track, dude. I'm coming for you, I promise you. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, got a good idea of one of the main reasons why I did this coyote swap is because they're freaking amazing and they're awesome. I can't say enough about them. Sure love my small block Fords, and I got another build coming soon. Shh, nothing yet, but sure glad to have this coyote. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna get back to work. Later, guys.